rains, still waters, sounds muted. Then we arrived. We brought the clap of the thunder. We brought the pound of the wave.
We exploded the mountaintops. We crushed the ground under the feet of the beasts. You hear a blast? We are there. You hear a howl? We are there. You hear a rumble and a roar? We are there. We are the bringers of noise.
Shut